Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your iCloud storage on your iPhone. As your data grows, you might find yourself running out of storage space on iCloud. Upgrading your iCloud storage is easy, and we'll walk you through the steps. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check how much iCloud storage you are currently using. To do that, go to your iPhone settings. In Settings, tap on your name, and then tap iCloud. Once you're in your iCloud settings, tap on Manage Account Storage. Here, you'll see your current storage usage. To upgrade, tap on Change Storage Plan. My current iCloud storage is now full. Thus, I will just tap on Upgrade. You can now select the new storage plan that best suits your needs. Apple offers various options, such as 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB. Once you have selected one, just tap on Upgrade to iCloud. You will be asked to confirm your purchase. Enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID for authentication. If your payment method is not set up or needs an update, you'll need to provide the necessary payment information. After entering your payment information, confirm the purchase one more time. Once your payment is confirmed, your iCloud storage will be upgraded to the selected plan. You'll receive a confirmation message. And that's it. Your iCloud storage is now upgraded, and you have more space to back up your iPhone and store your data securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.